Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sheena Vonique from purpose2inspire.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these passion twists, and hopefully I'll be able to provide some tips on how to make them last a little bit longer. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for this style, I use the Freetress Water Wave hair in the color 1. I use 6 packs in all. I use 4 packs of the color 1, and then I also use 2 packs of the color TT30 that you see here on the package. Now when you first take the hair out of the pack, it's going to look like this. In my packs there are about 16 individual strands, but you don't want to leave the hair like this. What you want to do is fluff the hair out. So what I did was I took each end of the hair, took one end and kind of finger combed it or finger detangled it, and then on the other end I did the same thing. Now once I did that, I took the hair in the middle and I pulled it apart. Now I've seen videos where people take the hair in the middle and snatch it apart and it comes apart perfectly. Mine was a mess. It was all tangled at the end, so I took my time and I did it slowly, but either way, whatever works for you. But this is how I did mine. But once you fluff the hair out, it should now look like this. So let's get into these products. For my scalp, I love to use the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Grease. And while I'm twisting my hair, I like to use the Extra Hold Jam and the Mary's Beeswax together. Now I discovered that these products work so well together to give the hair a nice hold and shine. For my roots, I use the Touchdown, and that is in the Maximum in the pink container. And while I'm twisting my natural hair, I like to use the Curls Unleash Curly Coil Style Cream. Get it together, Sheena. And the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Okay, so here I have 2 pieces of the TT30 hair. So instead of putting the hair together like this and trying to get it even, I'm not going to do that because I want the hair to be super long. So in order to increase the length of the hair, I'm going to take this 2 pieces of hair, almost this end here, and take this end right here, and I'm going to overlap the two so that I have the 2 ends kind of dangling in the middle, and then that makes the hair, get off my mirror, this makes the 2 pieces of hair longer. I went ahead and did the back of my hair off camera. All I did was section the hair from ear to ear, and I did 3 rows of twists in the back of my hair. So I'm starting off in the front of my hair by parting off just one section at a time, just trying to get the hair straight as possible. And I'm using the box parting method just like I did in the back. So in this clip, I'm just going to show you guys how I attach the hair to the roots of my hair. So I use the braiding method, and I know some people don't prefer this method because they feel like it looks less natural to have the braid at the root, but it really doesn't bother me, and I find it's the easiest method for me to use. So what I'm doing is just attaching the hair around my natural hair, and I'm trying to keep a firm grip at the roots, as you can see, like with my pointer finger, so that the hair doesn't begin to slip down. And then I braid. I don't think I really keep track of how far I braid down. I just braid down enough so that the hair is secure. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I do everything from start to finish. So I've already applied the grease to my scalp, and now I just took some of the leave-in conditioner from the roots to the ends of my hair, and now I'm applying the Touchdown to the roots of my hair to help it to lay down. So after I've done that, I go ahead and do a twist at the root of my hair and clip it just to keep it secure and help it to stay in place. And then I'll go ahead and prepare to attach the water wave hair to my hair. Now, either you can go ahead and twist your natural hair first before you apply the hair in, or you could do like I'm doing here and attach the hair first and then twist your natural hair. It's all up to you. And once I attach the extensions to my hair, I always use clips. No matter what style of twist or braids I'm doing, I always apply clips at the root of my hair to prevent the hair from slipping and to prevent too much pulling and tugging and tension on my roots. Okay, so here I'm twisting up my natural hair. I applied the curly coil styling cream on my hair first, and I really like to try to saturate the product into my hair. I have tried to twist my hair before in other styles without twisting my natural hair up first, and my hair always manages to come out of the twist. So I find that twisting the hair up prior to doing the passion twist, it makes it so much more secure. Okay, so before I begin to twist the hair, I'm taking some of the jam and the beeswax on my finger, and I'm gonna twist. All I did was separate one of my natural hair into the twist with the extension hair. So what I'm doing is I'm twisting each individual strand before I overlap the two. So in a regular 2-strand twist, you just twist and overlap. But in order for it to be more secure, you have to twist each individual strand and then overlap as you go down. And like I said, I have the product on my finger, so I continue to twist, and then when I feel like I don't feel any more product on my finger, I take some more of the product and then I continue twisting. Now, once I get past where my natural hair ends, at that point I begin to do a regular 2-strand twist. And then in addition to that, I also begin to pull up on the hair, as you can see. So I'll twist, and then pull up. Or there's really no rhyme or reason to how long I'll twist before I pull up. I'll just twist and then pull up on the hair. And then that gives it that whole curly, boho, carefree look that you're going for with the passion twist. I like to twist this hair almost all the way down to the bottom, leaving out just a little bit of the water wave hair. And I do that because I've used this hair before on a different style, and I know this hair can get very tangled and matted really quickly. So I like to leave out a little piece of the hair at the bottom, and it still gives it that look that you're probably going for at the bottom with the curly ends. You're just not leaving out that much hair. So here I'm giving you guys another close-up of how I attach the hair at the roots and braided it in. So on this twist, I realized that I didn't add as much product on my natural hair as I would have liked to before I began twisting. Like I said before, I really like to saturate my hair with the products just to give it a good hold and just to make sure that the hair is well saturated and moisturized. So here's a lesson on what not to do while you're twisting. So you have to make sure that you begin to twist right underneath the braid. So as you can see right underneath the clip, you can see where I didn't take my time and twist both strands of hair individually before I began to overlap it. So as you can see, it's not like a rope twist at the top, but that's okay. I guess I didn't even notice it until I played it back. But just make sure that you're doing a rope twist at the top, and then like just in the last clip, you just 2-strand twist all the way down and pull up until twist and pull up till you get down to the bottom. So I forgot to add that once you get down to the bottom of each twist, I like to use some of the beeswax on my finger, and I just twirl it around like you see here, and it helps to give the hair more of a shine and makes it more defined at the end. So we finally made it to the last piece. Y'all, I was so tired at this point. It was almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I was just ready to go to bed, and I got lazy with my part. So if you can see at the top, I'll try to like put a circle there or arrow or something. That part should have actually been 2 sections instead of 1 big part. And I got kind of lazy with my part and below that too, but it's okay. It still turned out good. But if y'all peep that, that's why I was so tired at this point. So I am finally done, and this is what the hair looks like at the ends. I'm so in love, y'all. Now that we're all done, I'm going to take my Vigorol Olive Oil Mega Moisture Mousse and apply that all over my hair from roots to ends. I really like this mousse because it has a good smell and it's also alcohol free. So now I'm going to take the Frieda Frizz Ease hairspray and I'm going to spray that all over my hair. And this helps to give the hair a nice hold to make the twist last even longer. The last step I did was apply the Vigorol oil all over my scalp. I think next to applying the mousse, the oil is my next favorite part of the process. But after I was done with this, I put my scarf on, y'all, and went to bed. So this is the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't mind me dancing, y'all. I was just excited. This was my first time getting dolled up and putting on makeup in almost 3 months. Me and my husband were headed out for our anniversary on this day. But anyway, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.